propaganda. We don't know the problem. So baka we might have to miss her today. Because kasi nagbago-bago pa yung kanyang messenger link over the past days, di ba? Ilang beses na siya po tinagdal sa messenger. Kaya, well, she might be having problems trying to reach us. So anyway, let's concentrate on the question and answer. If there are any dito sa ating Zoom room and sa ating audience, and from the the video who are present here right now.
Okay. Let's try to read some of the questions sent to us on YouTube. Let's try to zoom in.
Can we expand?
Yeah, can we please expand the
Mga commentaries karamihan na question. Anyway, any other question from the audience here today? Malinaw ba? Yes.
For the past 9 years po na hindi kinikilala ng China itong ruling ng arbitration po. Sa tingin niyo po, ano na po ang dapat na gawin for the current administration? Kasi 9 years na yung nakalipas, parang ang tagal. Ano na po pwedeng nilang gawin?
Well, I think President Duterte shows the way, and shows the way, dialogue and discussion, and yung si Ambassador Huang Xinyan, the Chinese ambassador in Manila, has twice already said in public, reported by media, na bukas ang Chinese government to meet halfway. In other words, magsalubong sa anumang issue at tungkol dito sa South China Sea dispute. At nakita natin, nabanggit ko kanina, na sa dialogue magkakaroon ng resulta. And kung binigay ko po, ay tungkol doon sa ayunisyon ng BRP Sierra Madre na nakahimik na ngayon dahil tuloy-tuloy monthly ang delivery ng supplies to the BRP Sierra Madre. Wala nang hanggang, wala nang water channel doon. Dahil po nag-usap ang Philippine government diplomatically with the Chinese government. So, yun ang ating dapat gawin at dapat ating may kumpinse ang Hong government na ayusin na po yung sigalot sa China at mag-usap ulit, which is exactly what all the other payments are doing. Malaysia, Indonesia, nagkaroon po ng kasunduan ng nakarang November 2024 na magkakaroon ng joint development sa kanilang disputed and overlapping territorial claims yan sa kanilang karagatan. Yan po ay tuloy-tuloy na nangyari between Vietnam and China, Brunei and China, and so on. So, pagbabalik lang po dun sa pag-uusap, siguro kasama po diyan ay yung itakwil na ginagawa ng Amerikano dito sa atin na panghihimasok at pagkialam at pagkukontrol ng ilang sektor ng ating pamahalaan at napapasunod nila yung ilang departamento ng ating pamahalaan. Does that answer the question?
Ano po, additional po, comment. Last celebration ng US independence